So summer 2021 is on. I need to get the summer body ready. So I've been trying to like be in a calorie deficit each day. I seen that this like kind of diet was working for people, so I wanted to give it a try, and it's actually worked like pretty well for me so far. I've been doing it for like a month or so now, and yeah, I've lost a little bit of weight, so I carry on. But like my main downfall is like sweets and like sweet treats. Like I like sweets so much, or like chocolate. Love it. So I found these Haribo, like you can make like your own Haribos but with jelly, and then they're really low calorie and super easy to make. So in this video I'm going to be giving them a try. So for the first step you need like jelly. So I'm just going to use 1 sachet of this raspberry one. I need to mix it with hot water. So I'm going to pour my jelly in, and then I'm going to put in about 280 milliliters of boiling water, and I'm just giving this a mix. And then you need like a ice cube tray or something. I'm using this heart one because I thought I'd be extra and make them extra cute. I now need to pour in like 3/4 of this. I'm gonna fill them up like halfway-ish. Yeah, that was messy. They're definitely not gonna be all even, but you know, that's okay. So I've still got maybe like 1/4 to 1/2 of my jelly liquid left, but that's for the next step where you add in like fat-free yogurt. So I'm now going to put my ice cube tray into the fridge and leave them to set for like 15 minutes. Abort mission, I forgot to put the gelatin in. Why am I like this? I'm going to start again. Good thing I bought a double packet, right? So now I'm going to take my 2 packets of gelatin and put them in. Now I've remembered to use it. Well done me. So now I'm going to pour it in again. You don't need to see this again because it will be chaotic. What did I say? Chaotic. It's so hard to not overfill them. Like it'd just be easier to just pour it all out into a container, but no, I want it to be extra and make hearts. So they're now going into the fridge for a second time. This time they're actually right. So for the next step you need fat-free yogurt, but my shop didn't have any fat-free, so I've got low fat instead, but we need 160 grams of this. Obviously if you have fat-free yogurt it's going to be less calories, so there'll be a tiny bit more calories in mine, but if you use fat-free yogurt then there'll be less calories in yours. In goes my yogurt. I'm also adding in a tiny bit of vanilla extract. Let's mix this up, and then this is going on top of what I already added in. These have been in the fridge for like 20 minutes and they're set now-ish. So I'm gonna pour this on top. I'm actually just doing it with a spoon instead of the jug because it's less messy and a bit easier. Well, she says it's less messy. I'm getting everywhere still. They've been in the fridge for like an hour now and I feel like they're definitely set. I'm gonna get them out. Here it is. It's a little bit messy, but they look really cute. Should I do a taste test? They taste really good. The texture of them is really nice as well. And they're low calorie. Love these. 100% recommend that you try it. I would definitely recommend trying them out. They're so yummy and low calorie. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.